I don't know. It's gonna be a sick day. Weather's good. It's slowly calming down a bit. Bit of wind on the way out, but it's gonna be a glamorous day, I think. Hopefully Miffy will put us on some fucking good fish. Are we on a line or what? Is there fish down there? Yeah.
Fish down there, Bubba.
Oh, yeah. What is this?
Oh, a little rock cod.
Oh, sweet.
Wow.
Big rock cod, eh?
Good stuff, Harry.
That's first blood done, eh?
Yeah,
Old good. Faithful, mate. Mr. Strawberry Jam. I got chicken crimpies in my mouth right now. Oh. Fucking good crimpies. This is 2 pumps off the bottom, eh? Trout-os, big trout-os. It's fucking great. Perfect size, eh? Well, just pulled up in 80 metres of water. It's day 1. First drop, 150 gram drunk skunk. Nice little trout-os. Good fish. Spanish.
Blame the blade pros,
About 20 metres off the bottom.
yeah, that's a dog.
Whoa.
Oh, fucking horseman!
Oh my god. Holy! I don't even know what it is, but it looks fucking nice.
That's huge!
Woo! Woo!
Holy shit.
That's a dog!
First drop. Double ups.
I didn't even know what it was, eh? Pulled in the boat, googly-eyed dog. Fucking loving it. Number 2, the Hazard. Second little cod. The 150. This is caught!
Oh my god.
Wow. We're at the cattle farm. Ugly horses, man.
Dropping these 150s down about 76 metres. And I think we've hit the cattle farm, mate. Because we're just getting these one after another. And I don't know about you guys, but these are beautiful chewing. And a beautiful looking fish.
Yeah. Oh, that might be that ready. That might be that good ready. Hold on, boys. Yeah.
Yes! Yes!
If you had a trout and I had a cod. Fucking hell, lads.
That's a dog! That is a dog!
Come sit next to me, come sit next to me.
Wait, we're just playing swapsies here?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's what I said.
It's good, brother.
Yeah, brother!
Big Joe!
How good!
How good!
Dinner.
Harry's on the 110, I'm on the 150. And we got heaps of dinner, put it that way.
We got bulk dinner.
Bulk tucker for the family.
But we bought no wraps out here, so
Yeah.
we've been eating cheese sandwiches all
Harry
day.
left the wraps.
Aiden actually left the wraps.
Anyways.
We won't talk about it.
Yeah.
A couple of good fish, but I can... Yeah, you mad dogs.
Alright, 20s.
Yeah.
Double ups there, dog.
Big ready.
Red on the jig! Red on the jig!
Yeah. Oh!
Got something tiny on your little lollipop.
I ain't got that tiny. That is fucking... I'm on full light gear, eh? Oh my. Wait. This is good fish, eh? Look at the bend. What it's doing? Locked up. I can feel this rock gonna... I mean, I'm not gonna say it, but it starts with D and ends with dogtooth tuna. Alright, back we go. I think I'm gonna
take a photo of the screen.
load up again.
Look
at the sounder right now. Tell me what you think that is.
Dirty spangle. All for that, you dog. Oh. That's fucking disappointing, eh? That's 120 metre country. And I pull this bloody dirty spaniel out. But yeah, it's a good catch. Yeah, 150, bro. 150 doing the damage.
I lost my life, I spent my time. He's always right, it's never wrong to change. It's been alright, I've been alright. But it is better, I hear better. I like it better underwater. Set me underwater.
5 gram. Slippery.
Yep, he's back.
Tuna. Tuna.
Oh.
Gully.
Oh, he's on him, eh?
No, give him some. Tuna.
It's got a crack. I swear to God. I think that was the last drop of the day. 100 haymaker. Pretty bugged. Stupid. Oh, not a bad trevally actually. Went pretty hard. Good.